Just three, and most of the worst habits that do not lead you to become rich, that do not lead you to live a successful and prosperous life. Yeah, just three things poor people do all the time that the rich don't do at all at any rate. Wanna know? Let's go. What's up guys and most welcome, warm welcome to our channel, our palace, the ulenglish.com. As you can see just right behind me. And if you have no idea about the ulenglish.com, that what it stands for, so then keep in mind that it stands for the University of London English, as you can see over here. By the way guys, if you are just meeting and if you have just visited our palace, so I'm your host Abid Ali, and in this lesson I'm going to tell you about the three and most of the worst habit that the poor people do all the time but the rich don't do at all. And these habits don't let anyone to become rich and live a successful and full of prosperous life. So let's know about it. Number one, the worst habit number one, here we have. The poor people spend their entire day in front of the TV. I mean, they waste their entire day in front of the TV. They waste their most valuable and precious time in what? In scrolling down the Facebook, TikTok, and these kind of social platforms. Do you have any idea what the successful people do meanwhile? The successful people spend most of their time in reading books. They try their best to learn something new every day and all the time. They try their best to learn something new from everyone, whether it's elder, younger, or whatever. But they will learn. They spend most of their time in planning for their future. And that's why today they are rich. That's why today they are living a successful and prosperous life. Have you ever asked yourself that how many hours per day do you waste in scrolling down the Facebook, TikTok, WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, and these kind of social networks? Have you ever asked yourself that how many hours per day do you read a book? How much time every day do you spend in planning for your future? Ask yourself these questions and then let us know in the comment section. Now a quick and a very short summary. If you are already a rich person, stop doing this habit because sooner or later you will get poor. And if you are already a poor person, abstain from this habit. Don't do this habit at any rate. I promise, I give you my word that sooner or later you will become successful and you will have a prosperous life. Now let's bring up the second worst habit. The poor and unsuccessful people waste their most valuable time in hanging out with their friends and hanging out with their disgusting and silly friends. I beg your pardon. Here I don't mean that you should abandon your relationship with your friend. I'm not saying that you should leave your friend. No, you can and should hang out with your friends, but in limit. It is your legitimate right to hang out and roam around with your friends, but in limit, not without limit. And if you don't do so, so then keep in mind that these friends will devastate your life, will devastate your future completely. And then you will be living in regret like this forever, but nothing will happen, nothing will change. Like most of the people, I have seen this, and you must have experienced as well, that they hang out with their friend. They go with your friends here and there, to and fro, without realizing that they are wasting their most valuable and precious time. Just for nothing, they go here and there with their friends. The rich people also hang out with their friends. They also go with their friends, but in limit. They know what matters the most to them. They know what is the most important task to accomplish first. They know what can give them a brightened future. First of all, they accomplish the most important task, and after that, they hang out with their friends. And that's why today they are rich. That's why today they are living a successful and full of prosperous life. And that's why, guys, I'm recommending you all, whenever your friends ask you, let's go for a picnic, let's go here, let's go there, let's play this. Don't say, yeah, I'm ready, let's do it, let's play it. No, don't say it. You're not supposed to give a quick answer, yeah, let's do it, I'm free. This means that you are idler. You have no any other work. I want you to first think in your mind, what matters the most to you? What can give you a brightened future? What is the most important task to accomplish first? Do you have to study? Do you have to work with your father? Do you have to do something else? These are the things that can give you a brightened future. But your friend will never give you a brightened future. So first of all, accomplish these things. And after that, after that you are free to go. Number third, the unsuccessful and poor people blame other people for their misfortune, for their failure. They make excuse all the time. And the rich people take responsibility. The successful people take responsibility for their failure. Like the unsuccessful and poor people think all the time. They say that, no, it's not my fault. It is the fault of my father. Because I have not born in a wealthy family. I'm living in a poor country. The government is not honest. The government is bad. It is because of my job. I don't have a high-paying job. It is because of my boss or neighbor or city, my friends, my parent, and these kind of things. They blame people like this. They make excuses like this. Instead of taking responsibility, instead of doing the practical work. And the rich people take responsibilities. The rich people don't make excuses like this. The rich and successful people don't blame people like this. Like the successful people think all the time that it doesn't matter where I'm coming from. What matters the most is where I'm going. It doesn't matter whether I'm poor, I'm not. What matters the most is what I'm going to do. They say it doesn't matter whether our government is good or not, whether I'm living in a poor country or a rich country. What matters the most is what I'm going to do. They think all the time that I'm responsible for my own life and only I can change my life and I'm going to change my life. And that's why today their life is completely changed than the other people. That's why today they are living a successful and prosperous life. Dear and beloved friends, if you want to change your life, if you really want to change your life and live a successful and prosperous life, then start taking responsibility right now. If your life sucks, if you are not living a successful life, a full of prosperous life, then it is your fault. Because it is only you who can change your life. It is only you who can give you a brighter future. And if you are looking for a person who can change your life forever, then I'm recommending you to go and look in the mirror. And you will find that person just like this. Because it is only you who can change your life, who is responsible for your life. So start taking responsibility right now instead of blaming other people, instead of making excuses, and change your life. Alright guys, I really hope, I do believe that you must have found this video constructive and useful. And if you would like to watch more further life-changing video just like this one, and if you also want to improve your English language in no time, if you want to achieve your goal of becoming a very fluent speaker in no time, then stay tuned, because on this channel, on the University of Learn English, we teach English language in 3 different languages. English in English, English in Urdu, also English in Pashto. And every single day, we upload a video. English in English, English in Urdu, also English in Pashto. That will really help you to build your confidence, speak fluent, and to take your English to the next level, just like this one. See you there next time with another spectacular lesson. Until take care and goodbye.